Hello, so the lesson I wanted to give here is how to play a scale on a guitar. So I'll play it through once here and then give you a close-up for some of the details. So the first 5 notes of the scale are pretty straightforward. You just play them as they are on the chart. And then when you come to the 5th note, you have to move your finger up and fret it with the little finger there, so that you can move your index finger up a full fret there. And then when you're coming down, you do the reverse. Reach and fret with the little finger, and then reposition your hand so that you can play with the index finger. So that pretty well covers how to play the scale. Don't forget to alternate your index finger and your middle finger, and then don't forget to move when you get to that 5th note.